Good morning, everyone. Today I have a product I want to review for you. It's made by ZMUnited, and I would like to...
What's in the box, bro?
Well, if you really want to know what's in the box, stick around. We'll start right after this. Okay, in case we haven't met before, my name is John Bell. I'm a retired school teacher and a full-time YouTuber. And today I have a product from ZMUnited. It's foldable Bluetooth headphones. And let's go over to the computer and we will show them to you. Here you see I purchased this on October 18th. And it is $28.99. So call it $30. All right. Now I'm going to set up the overhead and unbox this, show you everything that's in here, and we'll be starting in just 1 second. Due to the modern miracle of television. Okay, we're back. Now we're going to go to the overhead and show you everything that you get with this. Okay. You have a carrying case for it and a quick start guide. Okay. We'll get to this in just a while when we go to pair it. Okay. So you have in this mesh pocket up here, you have 2 different sets of earbud. The neoprene covers different size than the ones that come with it. Okay, in here you have the charging cable, which is a standard USB-A to a USB micro. Okay, and of course you have the unit itself. Now, like I said, these are foldable. Okay. Let's see if I get some more light on this. Alexa, lamp on. Okay. Alright, I've already gone over the functions of these with you. These are nice. You can pull these out. Okay. And then please do not just press the button by itself. These will zip back in to the headphone and you'll eventually break off the wires. Hold it while you retract it all the way. So hold it while you retract it. There you go. All right. So now I'm going to show you now how to pair it to the smartphone, and we'll be back in just 1 second. All right. Well, now what we're going to do is we're going to pair this unit to my Android cell phone. Okay. And I think the best way to do this is this little hole right here. Let's see if we can get there you can see it. That little hole right there has a light in it. Okay. And when it flashes red and blue, that means it's ready to be paired. Now I'm going to turn this on. You can see it's flashing red and blue. That means it can be paired. So now I'm going to set up the cell phone to pair it. Okay, I'm going to go to okay, first thing I'm going to do is go to settings. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth is connecting. Okay. Okay. I want to pair a new device, and it's searching for devices that I can pair it to. There it is right there, the ZMSX991. So it says, now do I want to pair this? And I'm going to press yes, pair. Okay. Now you can see that I am connected. Battery is 90%. You can see here the light has quit blinking. And that's all there is to pairing it. Okay, you caught me listening to some tunes here. After I got it paired, now this operates real well. Let me see if I can hold this up and you can hear it.
So much for being optimistic.
Okay, that's enough. I don't want to get a copyright strike for music. Okay, this is definitely a keeper. It's easy to use, it's cheap enough, and it's very, very comfortable. So until next time, this is John Bell signing off.
This is John Bell, thanking you for watching reviews. If you see this on Facebook, please like it. If you see it on YouTube, please subscribe. Until the next time, I wish you good luck and good night. May God bless.
That's all, folks.